Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off story comments in your Instagram. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Instagram. Now go to your account. Press on your menu. Scroll down. Click on comments. Press on stories. Here you can see the option of off. If you want to turn off your story comments, then you have to say it here, off option. That's it. So this is how to turn off story comments in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.